Again, so as you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of like marks on the front, and it's very dusty on the side. Again, you can see the numbers on the small batches made. This is the Scout boot that retails for $149.99 on the website. And as you guys can see, it's a little rough on the front, and I'm gonna try to hit those in the video in a bit. As you can see in this clip that's coming up right now, I just basically use a toothbrush, soap and water, shoe tree, and that's about it to clean these. So I'm gonna start off by putting out the shoe tree, put it inside. This makes cleaning so much easier, and it just helps with being able to get to those sides for sure in the front. Take off the shoelaces. Those are the stains right there. I'm not gonna be able to get off as much because they just ended up staying when you tied up the shoes. And I'm gonna use one, which is gonna be the right one, and I'm gonna start off using the toothbrush again. Soap and water, nothing major. And you're gonna start off by hitting the front and just working your way all the way around to the shoe. Alright, so in here, once we're done with the shoe, you're gonna feel it once it dries up and everything. It's gonna feel rough, like super rough. And this is the part I think that you need to be able to get the brush, which I used in the last video. One stroke would definitely go on one side. You guys can see me going on one side, right, one to one, and then go up and down, or left or right, however you want to call it. And this will help get those hairs out, so make the suede plush again. And you guys can see throughout the video, I'm just going to keep on the same route, one way, and then going backwards as well. And you just want to get those hair out. So as you guys can see, it's not that good lighting, but this is, I wasn't able to get most of the stains, but it's much smoother. Like you can run your fingers through it and it changes with the colors. That's what you want. So that's what the brushing does. And you can see it'll change with the color. This one I haven't brushed it, so this one is a little more, as you can see, that's from the residue from the water. So if you don't brush it, it's just gonna get stuck, as you can see, and then it'll just literally stay that way, which is what you don't want. You want it to be plush, and this right here is a good example of it. As you can see, this is all plush right here. It's soft.